In this video, we're going to show you how to install a suspension strap on a top-load washer. So to install our suspension strap, you're just going to want to take the screw, slide it up inside. Once you've got it so it turns nice and smooth inside there, you're just going to move the strap into place. So you just want to make sure you've got this locator tab being inserted up into this opening in the frame. Slide it up in, rotate it up. And once you've got it in that position, you can take your 1/4-inch nut driver and we just bring our strap and position it onto the tub ring. And we take the retaining screw, set it into place, and with our 5/16 nut driver, secure that. So it's well secured, and now we just need to put the top back on. So that has our suspension strap installed and secured. There are 4 on this machine. You'd want to change all 4 at the same time. If one's broken and worn out to that point, chances are the rest are as well, so you may as well do it while you've got it all apart. Once it's in place, we're just going to bring our top back into position. We have that harness for the lid switch we want to connect. So the connection is very easy. It's just a matter of marrying up the harnesses together so they snap into place. And now we can put the top into its proper location. So we're going to bring our top into place, and we want to locate these 3 tabs from the console into the top slots of the cover. So we're just going to bring our top into place, insert those 3 tabs into the top, and then we can just lower it down into place, and it pretty well lines itself up. We'll just take our 2 1/4-inch screws, 1 for each side, and secure that top. With the top secured, it's just a matter of putting the front back on. See down here in the bottom frame, there's a tab here and one over on this side. So those tabs are going to lock into these slots on the bottom of the front panel. So all we're going to do is take our front, angle it outward, set those slots onto those tabs, and just move our front up into position, give it a push, and it snaps right into place. And it's just that easy to change that suspension strap.